Alright. I just ran out of fuel, so I'm gonna bail out of here. Found a lead vein or motherload or whatever you want to call it. Location is right here at 721 South 504 East, and the elevation is 9 meters plus. So what I did, I had a tunnel going, and then I found one little spot, and then I marked it, with wood frame. Try to, pardon me, try to get above it, so that when you get the collapses, it you're not wasting it, and you're not getting crushed by it. Oh my God, I don't have a pickaxe. There it is. So yeah, try to get above it, and that, so when it caves in, you don't potentially lose some of the stuff above you, and then on top of that, you don't get crushed. I'm gonna just try to pickaxe the rest of this stuff, and this was a good spot to be. So yeah, if you're looking for lead, there was a little bit. Our main mission there was oil shale. Wait a minute here. Grab some oil shale since I'm here. Alright. Yeah. So the main purpose was oil shale, but I found this lead, and lead's just as well. This is version Alpha 17.1, and instead of percentages now, they're using numbers, which I don't really figure out now. Well, whatever. But yeah, if you're looking for lead, that's where it's at. See ya!